Mastering Mascara Application, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a bit different but very much part of everyday conversations, especially when it comes to beauty routines. We're talking about mascara application. Understanding this phrase not only helps you expand your English vocabulary but also gets you closer to mastering daily English conversations around personal care and beauty. So, let's get started. Mascara is a cosmetic commonly used to enhance the eyes. It's applied to the eyelashes to make them appear longer, thicker, and darker. The term, mascara application, refers to the process of applying this cosmetic to the eyelashes. It's a routine part of many people's makeup regimen, aimed at highlighting the eyes and making them stand out. Before we dive into how to apply mascara, let's talk about the tools involved. The main tool you need is, of course, the mascara itself. Mascaras come in various types, including waterproof, volumizing, and lengthening. Alongside the mascara, you might also use an eyelash curler before application to give your lashes a more pronounced curve, and a clean spoolie brush to separate lashes and remove clumps after application. 1. Start with clean lashes. Ensure your eyelashes are clean and free from previous makeup. This helps the mascara adhere better and prevents clumping. 2. Curl your lashes. Optional, using an eyelash curler. Gently squeeze your lashes at the base, holding for a few seconds. This step is optional but can make a significant difference. 3. Application. Remove the wand from the mascara tube by twisting it out. Avoid pumping the wand in and out, as this can introduce air and dry out the mascara. Starting at the base of your eyelashes, wiggle the wand slightly as you move it upwards to the tips of your lashes. This technique helps coat every lash evenly. 4. Add more coats if desired. For a more dramatic effect, you can apply additional coats. Just make sure to do it before the previous coat dries to avoid clumps. 5. Clean up any smudges. Use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to clean up any smudges around the eye area. Avoid clumps. Don't let mascara dry between coats. Bottom lashes. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes for a balanced look. Use less mascara on the bottom lashes to avoid a heavy look. Safety first. Replace your mascara every 3 to 6 months to avoid eye infections. And there you have it, a simple guide to mascara application. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning of mascara application, but also how you can incorporate this beauty step into your routine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning and stay beautiful!